Jamaica's motto, "Out of many, one people," is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful testament to the island's rich and diverse history. Born from the waves of immigration that shaped its identity, Jamaica stands as a beacon of unity and diversity. This motto speaks to the harmonious blend of cultures, ethnicities and traditions that define the Jamaican people. The motto encapsulates the spirit of Jamaica. It acknowledges the many different groups that have come together to create the nation. It celebrates the richness and complexity of Jamaican heritage. It's a reminder that, despite differences in origin, Jamaicans stand united. The motto is a source of pride for Jamaicans. It's a reminder that their country is a place where everyone is welcome. It's a call to embrace the differences that make Jamaica so special. From the indigenous Taino people to the arrival of Europeans and the subsequent influx of enslaved Africans, Jamaica's story is one of cultural fusion. This fusion is evident in every aspect of Jamaican life. You can see it in the food, music, language, and traditions. Beyond its British colonial past, Jamaica witnessed the arrival of indentured laborers from China and India following the abolition of slavery. These individuals crossed the ocean to seek new opportunities, bringing their customs and traditions to the island. The Chinese in particular established themselves as merchants and shopkeepers, their surnames like Chin, Lee and Wong becoming woven into the fabric of Jamaican society. German influence, though less prominent, can be traced back to the 19th century. German settlers, mainly missionaries and planters, left their mark on the island's architecture and agriculture. Their surnames, such as Myers and Becker, can still be found among some Jamaicans today. The Spanish, the first European colonizers of Jamaica, left a lasting impact on the island, evident in place names and some cultural practices. Their presence, though dating back centuries, is still palpable in the island's heritage. French influence, primarily from Huguenot refugees, added another layer to the Jamaican cultural mosaic. Their expertise in sugarcane cultivation and their distinct culinary traditions enriched the island's cultural tapestry. The arrival of these diverse groups, each with their unique skills and traditions, contributed significantly to Jamaica's development. They helped to shape the island's economy, culture, and society. The echoes of this diverse past are most evident in the surnames of many Jamaicans. While some bear English names reflecting the colonial period, others carry Chinese, Indian, or German surnames passed down through generations. These names, like Singh, Chen, or Mullah, tell a story of migration, adaptation, and the blending of cultures. Interestingly, many Jamaicans with these surnames no longer speak the languages of their ancestors. The passage of time, coupled with the dominance of English and the emergence of Jamaican patois, led to the gradual disappearance of these ancestral languages. However, the surnames remain a tangible link to their heritage. Take the example of the Wong family in rural Jamaica. Their ancestors arrived from Guangdong, China, during the late 19th century to work on sugar plantations. Generations later, the Wongs, while identifying as Jamaican, carry their Chinese surname with pride. They may not speak Cantonese, but their name whispers of a journey across continents and a contribution to their adopted homeland. Similarly, the Patels with their Indian ancestry are another example of Jamaica's diverse heritage. Their forefathers, brought as indentured laborers from Gujarat, India, toiled on the island's plantations. Today, the Patels, fully integrated into Jamaican society, may not speak Hindi or Gujarati. However, their surname stands as a testament to their family's journey and their contribution to Jamaica's growth. Jamaica's story is a testament to the power of human resilience, adaptation, and the beauty of cultural fusion. It's a reminder that identity is not monolithic, but rather a vibrant tapestry woven from threads of different origins. The Chinese, Indian, German, Spanish, and French influences, though distinct, have all contributed to the unique flavor of Jamaican culture. This fusion is evident in the island's cuisine, a delicious blend of flavors reflecting its diverse heritage. From jerk chicken with its African and Spanish roots to curry goat, a nod to Indian culinary traditions, Jamaican food is a symphony of tastes. Even the ubiquitous rice and peas, a staple on Jamaican tables, speaks to the island's multicultural past. Jamaica's motto, "Out of many, one people," is not just a slogan, it's a lived reality, a celebration of unity and diversity. The island stands as a shining example of how different cultures can coexist and thrive. enriching each other and creating something truly unique. Jamaica's story is a testament to the strength found in diversity and the beauty that emerges when different cultures come together. In a world often divided by differences, Jamaica's message of unity resonates deeply. It serves as a beacon of hope, reminding us that our shared humanity transcends our differences. Jamaica's story is a powerful testament to the richness and strength found in diversity, a story that continues to inspire and uplift.